I want to give some sort of provisional structure to understand my videos. Even a three-dimensional object, when observed by different angles, can give very different ideas of totality. So this is just a basic structure to help us to think about it. You know, the structure of Prakrti is supremely complex, even though we do have some few landmarks. Most Hindu philosophies, they handle three kinds of dimension, normally relating that to space or to the size of the soul. And there is not a perfect agreement about this. The atomic dimension, the composed dimension, like the objects that are composed of different elements, which is the intermediate dimension, and the absolute dimension. Now this could also be transferred to our understanding of time. In the Yoga Sutras, there are three gradual approaches to superior meditation. One is dharana, which is basically atomic. It is identified with some sort of emergence of action, exertion. So in this particular sense, it is rajasic, right? Like a drop of water dripping again and again in the same place. It's an action. The second aspect is persistence. And what persists is memory. And we will talk a lot about memory. If at first there were many punctual acts of exertion, now we have a habit or pathway carved in some ontological structure, psychological structure, and the association of many dots forming a line. And this connection makes possible some sort of flow, and this in yoga perspectives is dhyana. It is a memory, which is one of the original meanings of mindfulness, actually, which is from Buddhist tradition, but just to notice that memory is also there. And we're not talking about the flow itself, but about the tamasic structure that allows for the habit of concentration. You see, from a rajasic perspective, we now pass on to a tamasic perspective. And then the object, the third aspect, which is some sort of cognition, is expanded in consciousness. And this is intuition, which is similar to the absolute dimension. It is a reflection that is looking out towards the system of memory. The absolute light, which is also in yellow in the drawing. In this sense, it is sattvic. There is again another kind of tamasic memory, which is the cosmic memory, between two manifestations of the linga matra, the sign of the unmanifested. This could also be considered a different, superior kind of tamas, and it is supported by the cosmic ego, or cosmic memory, during two different cosmic manifestations. Beyond this cosmic memory, there is light that doesn't expand and doesn't contract, but is some sort of efficient nimitta, cause of all kinds of enlightenment. And we need to record a video also about light next.